Hello world, I'm Sandra and I'm the wait, what?
You're the host.
I'm the host of my game show, Sweet or Sour. We need to wait for a pause. Here is one now. Sour!
And our sponsor for this game show is Flavored Candy Canes.
Here comes another.
Tastes like grape.
Here's another one. Her face was like. Hopefully my dad comes. Hopefully Becky he won't stay out of the parking lot. Oh well. Now let's wait for another car.
She's my co-host.
I'm Sour. Tastes like grape.
Car! Two. This is sponsored by me saying beep. Beep.
Car.
Let's see if they're sweet or sour. And there is a third sweet.
Oh my god, there's a bus.
Wave, I dare you.
I don't know if it's coming down here. Hell no, I'm not doing it.
Becky, there's people coming over here.